Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by securing hosting that supports PHP 8+ and MySQL 5, 7 or later, and enable SSL so your web app runs fast and safe. Once done, install WordPress and create an admin user with a strong password. This gives you the control interface. Make sure to set up pretty permalinks and add basic backup and security plugins now so you won't lose progress. These foundational steps let you move into building the actual application logic without stumbling on configuration gaps. You now create the app structure. Pick a starter or headless approach and add a child theme to keep updates safe. Next, register custom post types, taxonomies, and custom fields so your data model matches the web app's needs. This organizes content and simplifies queries. Once your data model exists, expose endpoints, use the WP REST API or WP GraphQL, so your front-end or mobile client can fetch and send data. Then test each endpoint with sample requests and iterate until responses are correct. You finish by optimizing and deploying. Add server-side caching, a CDN, and minify assets so load times shrink. Index frequently queried fields in the database. Implement authentication, JWT or OAuth, and enforce role and capability checks on endpoints to protect data. Deploy from staging to production and run integration tests to confirm flows. If something breaks, first check rewrite rules and permalink settings, then confirm REST routes and non-C or token headers. That single troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.